cities, often seen as hubs of culture and excitement rather than beauty, yet many urban landscapes rival scenic villages and natural wonders. These cities showcase stunning architecture and breathtaking surroundings. From ancient Rome to modern Dubai, we find architectural marvels. Every city tells its own story, etched in its streets and architecture. Please join me now as Ready to Travel 8 explores the unique charm of each location. Our journey begins in Paris, the city of lights, a city synonymous with romance, art, and culture. Paris has an undeniable charm. The city's heart beats along the Seine River, its gentle current reflecting the grandeur of centuries past. Cobbled streets lead us through a labyrinth of history and beauty, and dominating the skyline, a testament to human ingenuity, stands the Eiffel Tower. A beacon of iron and steel, it has captivated hearts and minds for generations. But Paris is much more than just grand monuments. It's the aroma of freshly baked bread drifting from a boulangerie, the gentle strains of an accordion on a street corner, the laughter of lovers strolling hand in hand along the Seine. High above Paris, nestled on a hilltop, lies Montmartre, once a haven for artists. Its narrow, winding streets still echo with the spirit of Picasso, Renoir, and Toulouse-Lautrec. Here, time just seems to slow down. Street artists capture the essence of passers-by, their portraits adding to the vibrant tapestry of this bohemian quarter. The air is filled with the scent of paint and the melody of music. Outdoor cafes beckon, offering respite from the bustling city below. At the center of it all rises the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, its radiant white domes shining brilliantly in the sunlight. A symbol of hope and resilience, it offers panoramic views of the city below. We journey now to the land of the rising sun, to Kyoto, the ancient imperial capital of Japan, a city where ancient traditions and modern life intertwine seamlessly. Kyoto's skyline is a study in contrasts. Towering skyscrapers rise amidst a sea of traditional wooden houses, their tiled roofs a testament to centuries of craftsmanship. Here, the past is ever present. Ancient temples, their wooden beams weathered by time, offer sanctuary from the bustling city. The air is filled with the scent of incense, a reminder of the deep spirituality that permeates Japanese culture. But Kyoto is not frozen in time. Modernity thrives here, evident in the sleek bullet trains that whisk people across the country and the cutting-edge technology that powers its industries. Spring in Kyoto is a truly magical time. A delicate pink hue envelops the city. Sakura bursts forth in a riot of color. Families gather beneath a canopy of blossoms. It's a time to appreciate the ephemeral beauty of nature. As darkness falls, lanterns illuminate the blossoms. Next up, we have Venice, a city unlike any other. Built upon a lagoon, its very existence defies the natural order. Streets are canals, cars are gondolas, and the air is filled with lapping water and murmurs. The Grand Canal snakes through Venice, reflecting centuries of grandeur. Palaces and churches with intricate carvings stand proudly, testaments to a rich history. Life in Venice unfolds at a different pace. Narrow waterways create a labyrinth of quiet back streets. Residents' lives are intertwined with the ebb and flow of the tide, the gentle rocking of a gondola, the soft splash of an oar, the melodic calls of gondoliers. These are the sounds of Venice. From the moment one arrives in Venice, the city's architectural marvels never cease to amaze. The Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Venetian Gothic architecture, stands as a symbol of the city's former power and opulence. Across the Piazza San Marco, the Basilica di San Marco, with its shimmering mosaics and soaring domes, is a testament to Venice's Byzantine heritage. But Venice's architectural treasures are not confined to its grand palaces and churches, graceful bridges arching over the many canals, and charming squares bustling with life. St. Petersburg, a city born from ambition, a testament to the vision of Peter the Great, built on the shores of the Baltic Sea. The Neva River flows through its heart, dividing the city into islands connected by bridges. The Winter Palace, once home to the ruling Tsars, stands as a symbol of Russia's imperial past. The Hermitage Museum, located within the Winter Palace, boasts one of the world's greatest art collections. Beneath the grandeur of St. Petersburg's streets lies an unexpected spectacle. The St. Petersburg Metro is an art form in itself. Descending into its depths is like stepping into a subterranean palace. It's the deepest metro system in the world, an amazing feat of engineering. Each station highlights a different theme, ranging from Soviet-era heroism to the elegance of Tsarist times. The Avtovo station resembles a grand ballroom. Ploshchad Vostania's mosaics depict the 1917 October Revolution. Each journey is a cultural experience, blending practicality with artistry. Just a short distance from St. Petersburg lies Peterhof, a place of unparalleled grandeur, often called the Russian Versailles. Peterhof was conceived by Peter the Great. Set amidst sprawling gardens, Peterhof is a symphony of fountains, gilded statues, and manicured lawns. The landscape is dominated by the Grand Palace's shimmering golden domes, but the heart of Peterhof is its fountains. Over 150 fountains springing to life in a dazzling display of splashing water. The Grand Cascade, an engineering marvel, showcases a statue of Samson wrestling a lion. Beyond the grandeur of the Grand Palace, the gardens of Peterhof stretch out like an emerald tapestry. Designed in the formal French style, the gardens are a testament to meticulous artistry. Pathways wind through manicured hedges, ancient trees, and serene ponds. The many fountains, both grand and whimsical, provide a constant soundtrack to a stroll. The gardens of Peterhof are a place of tranquility and beauty. We now journey to a land of unique beauty, where the urban landscape meets the Pacific Ocean. Sydney, Australia. Few cities can boast such a stunning natural harbour, a sparkling jewel embraced by a bustling metropolis. The Sydney Opera House, with its iconic cell-like design, stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and creativity. Beyond the harbour, golden beaches stretch for miles, inviting visitors to bask in the sun. A stroll through Sydney's historic Rocks District reveals the city's colonial past. Modern skyscrapers of the central business district symbolize progress and ambition. The Royal Botanic Garden offers a tranquil escape with exotic and native plants. As the sun sets over the harbour, a sense of peace descends upon the city. Journey to Prague, the heart of Europe, steeped in history and legend. Called the City of 100 Spires, its skyline is a breathtaking tapestry of towers and domes. The Vltava River snakes through the city, reflecting its architectural beauty. At the heart of Prague lies the Old Town Square, a vibrant hub of activity. The astronomical clock, installed in 1410, is a real marvel of medieval engineering. Crossing Charles Bridge, a stone arch bridge adorned with Baroque statues, is like just stepping back in time. Built in the 14th century, it stands as a testament to medieval craftsmanship. From the bridge, admire the imposing silhouette of Prague Castle, a sprawling complex of palaces and churches. As evening falls, Prague takes on a real magical quality, its beauty amplified by the soft glow of street lamps. Prague, a city that captivates the senses and stirs the soul. Now we head to the stunning shores of South America, to Cartagena, Colombia, where vibrant colors meet colonial history. Enclosed by walls built centuries ago to protect against pirate attacks, Cartagena's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an example of Spanish colonial architecture. Brightly colored houses with ornate balconies line the narrow streets, overflowing with beautiful bougainvillea and hibiscus, a riot of colors that assault the senses. Horse-drawn carriages clatter over the cobblestones, transporting visitors back in time. When venturing beyond the city walls, we discover another side of Cartagena, where vibrant city life meets the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. High-rise hotels and resorts line the Boca Grande Peninsula, yet it is really only from the ramparts of Castillo San Felipe de Barajas that one can truly appreciate Cartagena's strategic significance. This impressive fortification offers breathtaking views of the city and the endless azure of the Caribbean Sea. Now Vancouver, a city nestled on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, where towering mountains cast long shadows upon the bustling streets below. Here, the wild beauty of the Canadian wilderness collides with urban life. Watch as sailboats glide across the sparkling waters, the sails catching the sunlight against snowy peaks, cycling through the verdant trails of Stanley Park, or strolling along the seawall. But Vancouver's beauty is not just skin deep. Beneath its stunning exterior lies a rich tapestry of cultures, creating a vibrant community. Journey to Granville Island, where the aroma of freshly baked bread mingles with street musicians. Explore the vibrant heart of Chinatown, one of the oldest in North America. Vancouver celebrates its multicultural heritage, weaving together diverse traditions and cuisines to create a vibrant cultural tapestry. And now we journey to the southern tip of Africa, to a city nestled between majestic mountains and the vast Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town. Here, the iconic Table Mountain dominates the skyline, a flat-topped monolith that has stood sentinel over the city for millennia. From its summit, reached by cable car or a challenging hike, the views are simply breathtaking. The sprawling cityscape stretches out below, a tapestry of vibrant neighborhoods, lush green spaces, and the glittering expanse of the ocean beyond. To the west, the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting long shadows across the city below. As darkness falls, the cityscape twinkles to life with a million lights, a dazzling display of urban energy. Cape Town's allure extends far beyond its iconic mountain. The Victoria and Alfred waterfront offers a taste of the city's vibrant energy. A short drive from the city centre lies the Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. This garden showcases the incredible diversity of South Africa's indigenous flora. Our journey takes us to the heart of the Roman Empire, Rome. Ancient ruins stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era, with the Colosseum rising from the heart of the city, a testament to Roman engineering prowess. Nearby, the remnants of the Roman Forum evoke the city's rich history, serving as a powerful testament to its ancient grandeur. Rome is not just a city of ancient history, it is also a vibrant, modern metropolis and the spiritual heart of the Catholic Church. Within the city limits lies Vatican City. At its heart stands St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. But Rome's artistic treasures are not confined to the Vatican. Throughout the city, countless churches, museums, and galleries house many masterpieces. And so, our journey comes to an end. From the Eiffel Tower's soaring heights to the serene beauty of Kyoto's temples, from the canals of Venice to the vibrant streets of Cape Town, we have explored some of the most beautiful cities. Thank you for watching. As we explored so many beautiful world cities, I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and inspired your next adventure. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next adventure.